Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to post to TikTok story, whether video or picture, without losing the quality. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and tap on this plus sign right here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and upload whether video or photo. Like for instance, I want to upload photos. Go ahead and click on photo right here. So you click on photo, select any photo you want to upload right here. So I'm going to scroll down right here and then I will go ahead and upload this particular photo right here. Just like so. Then you can also edit. Then you can also add music to your story. Go ahead and click on this icon. Then go ahead and choose your music right here. So I'm going to use this particular music. Then click on OK. Now the music has been successfully added. You can also add caption. So for that, go ahead and click on this text, this A icon. This will allow you to add caption. You can say now in stock. Just like so. Then you can change the different font style right here as the case may be. So I'm satisfied with that. The next thing you want to do here is you can change the color. Click on the top right here. You can use different color as the case may be. Just like so. I think I'm satisfied with the white color. Okay. Then right here, you can also add text background color. You can add stroke to the color. Click on here and make it a background color or what have you. So the more you click, the more you see different effects. You can also change the alignment as the case may be, just like so. Once you are done, go ahead and click on done right here. And then here, you can also adjust the text where you want it to be. So I want the text to be at the top right here, just like so. Then you can also add filter to your story. And for that, go ahead and make sure you click on here. And then this will allow you to use different filter templates. So you can select any template of your choice, just like so. So you can continue to try and see which of the template is very much cool for your image or your video. So I'm going to check on another one right here. I'm going to check on this. So I'm satisfied with this one. You can control the degree right here. And then once you are satisfied, then you are good to go. Lastly, go ahead and click on your story right here. And it has been successfully posted to your story, just like so. So if you go ahead and click on your profile icon now, then you find out that your story has been successfully posted. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your TikTok app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.